In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate QuickBooks to access and analyze your accounts payable aging detail report. This is a critical report for understanding your company's liabilities and managing payments to vendors. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting with QuickBooks, follow along as we break down each step to seamlessly utilize this feature. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the QuickBooks dashboard by visiting their official website. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Don't worry if it looks a bit crowded at first. We'll guide you through the necessary steps. If you're not automatically directed to your QuickBooks homepage, look for the option in the navigation bar. Now that you're on the homepage, the next step is to locate the Vendors section. You should see this option clearly on the left sidebar of your screen. Click on it, and it will direct you to the Vendors dashboard, which contains a comprehensive list of all your vendor contacts. This is where you'll manage what your business owes and stay proactive in your vendor relationships. Once you're in the Vendors section, we're going to shift our focus to Reports, another essential element of QuickBooks that allows you to gain insights into your business's financial health. You can find reports in the navigation bar. It's just a click away. Selecting the Reports tab will open a new page that lists various types of reports you can generate. For our specific purpose today, we'll focus on generating an accounts payable report. In the search bar located on the Reports page, type in Accounts Payable. This is where QuickBooks' powerful search capabilities come in handy, as it quickly narrows down your options to the most relevant reports. As you type, you'll notice a list of suggested reports appearing below the search bar. From the list of available reports, click on Accounts Payable Aging Detail. This report is particularly useful because it provides detailed information about the amounts you owe to vendors and the length of time those amounts have been outstanding. By analyzing this data, you can make informed decisions about which bills to pay first and how to optimize your cash flow. To recap, we've navigated from the QuickBooks homepage to accessing a critical financial report that aids in efficient vendor management. This process not only helps in maintaining healthy relationships with your vendors, but also ensures you have a clear picture of your outstanding debts. Remember, regular review of your accounts payable aging detail report can be an invaluable tool in managing your business's finances effectively. Keep practicing these steps, and soon you'll navigate QuickBooks like a pro.